welcome to a new video. Today I'm here in Hempstead Lake Park and it's a beautiful place. I'll show you around later. And I'm here with my friend Alex.
Hello.
And we are with the guitar and we were playing and singing and stuff, so I'll put a video in this vlog too so that you can see a little bit of it. And tonight we are going to go to the beach to see some fireworks, so it's going to be beautiful. So if you wanna see them, just keep on watching.
You know I'd fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do. 'Cause everything
big, maybe they're tumbling down. We didn't even put up a fight, we didn't even make a sound. I found a way to make you leave, but I never really had a doubt. Standing on the light of your room, pulling my hand and out. It's like I've been awakened, every rule I had to break it. Is the risk that I'm taking, and I'm never gonna shut you out. Every time I'm looking now, surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see you hello. You know you want saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel you hello. Crying won't fade away. Hello, hello, you hello, 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 hello.
You know I'd fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do. 'Cause everything that don't make sense about me, it makes sense when I'm with you. Like everything that's green, girl, I need you. But it's more than one and one makes two. So put aside the math and the logic of it. You gotta know you want it too. 'Cause I wanna love you.
Hi guys! We're finally in the beach house and we cannot open it.
Yeah, it's so tough.
But it's nice, it's really nice, look at this. So beautiful.
I call you mine, wanna hold your hand
Finally,
forever.
we open
Never
it.
let you forget it. Baby, I wanna make you feel wanted. Anyone can tell you you're pretty, and you get that all the time. I know you do, but your beauty's deeper than the